To change your location on YouTube, you first have to navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and click on it. This will land you on your channel. On the top right corner, continue to click on these 3 dots. Then with this selected, proceed to click on settings. Under settings, you have a list of menus. Make sure to select on general. Then this is where the magic will happen. In order for us to change our location on YouTube, make sure to select on location. Then proceed to select on the country that you want to choose, whether Greece, Guatemala, Honduras, or any other country. If you want to change your location remotely on any other platform, I will highly recommend you to visit this website. On this website, you could be able to change your GPS location both on your iOS and Android devices. And you could also be able to recover lost data from iOS or Android. And as well as on your Windows, Mac, or hard drive, you'll be able to bring the best solution to save you from trouble at all time. Make sure to click the link in the video description and get these packages at unbeatable prices. Back to the video. After that, continue to click on cancel. Then make sure you select the language that best suits that location. In this case, you continue to click on app language and make sure to select the country language that best represents you. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.